Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in today's particular video we are going to unbox the Airdopes 131 by Boat. And please watch this particular video till the end because we are going to give our first impressions on this particular headphones, or TWS as you call it. And let's get started. So guys, let's unbox the Boat Airdopes 131 wireless earbuds, and this comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 and comes with a Type-C port, which is very handy in terms of charging because most of the modern smartphones comes with Type-C. It have the 650 mAh battery for the charging case, etc., and comes with a 13mm drivers. That is the actual size of your ear tips, and comes with a standard 1-year warranty. Also guys, if you are new to this particular channel, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification icon so that you get notified whenever we upload any video. And also guys, if you like this kind of videos, please hit that like button too. So let's just unbox it and open up the case, and let's check out how these Boat Airdopes 131 are. And this really looks premium guys. In the hand itself, I mean, this is like having this nice piano black finish. And let's just open it. A nice packaging by Boat. Comes with a Type-C connector over here, and this is definitely a fingerprint magnet. I can see my fingerprints over here, and as you can see, this is how it looks. And once you open this, let's check out how it is. And yeah, it is showing that 3 LED indicators when it is going to charge, and this is somewhat similar to some other manufacturer, you know which one I meant to started the segment. And this is how it looks guys. It's very good and great looking. Also guys, please follow us on social media to get notified whenever we upload a video. So guys, this almost looks like Apple Airpods and the first generation one. And yeah, the stem, exactly the earbuds which goes inside your ear canal, they are exactly identical to Apple. And the case itself is very good, tiny, compact. This you can carry up. And also guys, this shows the charging, whenever you are putting this inside this charging case. And this is estimated to have a battery backup of 12 hours. And as you can see, even the quality, build finish and all is really good. Only thing, you cannot exchange the left and right earbuds inside the casing. Means you cannot even accidentally put exchange the left and right earbuds of this. I think you should have it in their individual slots. And this is how it looks. And this comes with a nice LED indicator over here, which is just glowing the blue and red. This is indicating that it is ready to pairing. And it is having this nice mesh grill kind of speaker setup over here. And I wish sometimes this was somewhat like noise cancellation, but it is not. So please keep that in your mind. And this also got a clicky button over here. And let me just open the other one also, and let's see how the experience is. And it really feels very light guys in the hand. And the build quality, the looks, design, if you just want to show off, then this is definitely the types of product you need to buy. Also in the casing, in the unboxing experience, we get maybe, let's see what we get. Okay, so we have a charging cable, and this looks like the Type-C. Yes, it is a Type-C connector guys for charging. So you don't need this if you are already having a phone with a Type-C connector or any model smartphone. And then you get a lot of bunch of this kind of leaflets. I really don't know why company might do this kind of paperwork and all. I don't know how many people will be actually reading. And then you get some warranty and other stuff, and yeah, this is fine. Like, okay, let me just show you how it feels in the ears. So this is how it feels guys, and it is, as you can see, the left canal is very compact, and this is how you can do it. You can wear it. I'll show you the other way also how you can wear it. And this is compact and very light, and this is having a button for single tap. I think you can pause and play, and if you keep it pressed, you can forward or rewind based on which earbud you are pressing it. And let me just show you the other one, the right one, and you can slightly move this particular bud forward, and this is the most comfortable way. And wearing these particular earbuds, guys, I think this is the one of the most comfortable in my opinion. Sometimes it will be a pain for certain people, but in my case it is really comfortable, really worth. Please buy this particular product. Also check the links in the description on this. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel because there is always something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also do check out these cool videos which we have. Let us know in the comments below what you think, what are your opinions about this particular topic. And again, thanks a lot guys for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.